In this video, I'm gonna talk about how to fix Windows has restarted your CPU on League of Legends. Oh, that's kind of an issue that is happening for many users when they're trying to launch the League of Legends, and how we can fix it. So let's get started. So first of all, what we need to do is we have to go to this PC over here. Now from here, go to this PC, go to local disk C. Now from here, we have to navigate to the program files over here. Now from here in the C, we have to check for, first of all, just go to non-program files, getting to the right games, go to the right client. And from here, you have to check for League of Legends, or from here directly you can get it with the program files. And from here, you can check for the right games and get into the League of Legends. Then you can just make sure to do this in this way, or you can just close this from here. Now from here, you can just go over here, search here for League of Legends. Now from here, you have to right click and go to open file location. Now from here, you have to right click once again. Now from here, what you need to do is just go to open file location once again, and from here you have to right click and you have to check for the show more options and go to the properties and go to the compatibility. Make sure that you put a check on run this program as an administrator, and also make sure that you put a check on disable full screen optimization and go for apply and go for OK, and you have to close this. Next one is all about what we need to do is after trying with this, we have to go over here. Parallelly, we have to search here for the device manager, and you have to click on this one. After you turn on this, before making the changes, let me do one thing here. I have to go over here, search here for the right client, and I have to open this over here. Now make sure the right client is running in the background, and once over here you have to get into the device manager here. Now from here, navigate to the display adapters, expand this. So if you're having two graphic drivers, you have to disable the primary one. So in my case, I'm having only one, that called NVIDIA GeForce GTX. So I have to right click and go for disable the device. After disabling, let me minimize this. Now from here, I have to navigate to the League of Legends. Now from here, what I need to do is launch the game. The moment you launch the game, you just need to go back to the device manager, right click, and you have to enable it back. Then you have to check whether the issue is solved or not. Still, if you're having the trouble, what we need to do is we have to try with few more things. That is all about, you have to check whether you're having NVIDIA Control Panel app on the system. So if you have the NVIDIA Control Panel, try turning on the NVIDIA Control Panel app. So for most of the users, some users, they might be having the NVIDIA Control Panel. For some users, they don't have it. So if you're having the NVIDIA Control Panel, what you need to do is we have to just disable the shader cache from it. That is what we have to do. Just go over here, go to show more options, and most probably if you find the NVIDIA Control Panel, or you can just go over here, search for the NVIDIA Control Panel. You can try both and make sure that you have to disable the NVIDIA shader cache. That's very important. After that, what you need to do is we have to do it. So the thing is, what we need to do is we have to go over here, search here for the run command, and you have to press enter. Now from here, we need to search here for clean mgr, and what you need to do is you have to just press enter. Now that's going to take you to this, select local disk C and go for OK. Now from here, just wait so that it will completely load up. Now from here, I have to put a check on all these boxes, Epson DirectX shader cache, and just go for clean up system file and just go for OK. And you're going to get another box over here like this. Just wait so that it will load up, and you have to delete it as well. Now what happens is this is going to free up some space in your system, and just keep scrolling down from here. And what you need to do is we have to just scroll it down a little bit and make sure that you have to uncheck this, go for OK, and you have to go for delete files from here. Now once you're done with this one, what you need to do is after trying with this, you have to enable, or you have to reset, not in the sense you have to just enable it back, the shader cache on NVIDIA app. This is what we have to do. Then after trying with this, we have to make few changes in the registry editor. Now what you need to do is after trying with this is what we have to do. So what we need to do is we have to just go to run command. We need to navigate to run command, and you have to press enter. Now we need to type regedit. Now from here, we have to just go for OK. Now from here, we have to go for yes. Now from here, just wait so that it will load up. Now from here, we have to go to, just go over here at the top. We have to expand this, and we have to remove this over here at the top. Just remove this. Now once everything is removed, we have to copy and paste it, and we have to press enter. Once we get into this, as you can see, I have already created the TDR delay. So let me delete this, because we wanted to create it once again, so then I'll be able to show you guys. So what we need to do is we have to right click, go for new, and create it. 32-bit value. Now we need to give this the first one capital T DR. Then you need to type delay with D as a capital. Just type as it is. Get into this. Give the value to 60 and now change this to decimal and go for OK. Similarly, we have to right click, go to new and go to dword 32-bit value. Now from here we have to go for TDR. Now from here DDI. Now we need to go for delay. Now what we need to do is just wait, so that you have to right click and change the value to 60, and we have to change this to decimal. That's very important, and just go for OK. So we have created these two. Then what we need to do is we have to relaunch the game and you have to check with it. Still, if you're having the trouble, just go over here in the file explorer and go to this PC, local disk C. Now from here what we need to do is we have to get into the folder here called Windows. Now from here we have to scroll it down all the way down and navigate to System32. Now from here we have to search here for a file called nvld. Just wait for it, so it will load up in some cases. If you're having this particular file in your system, what you need to do is we have to just wait. It's called nvld. Now we need to type, it's there. We have this particular file, it says nvld.mkm.syc. We have to right click on this, go to show more options. Now from here, just wait and go to the properties. Now from here, go to the security. From here, select users and go for edit. Now what you need to do is just make sure that you have given full access here. That's very important. So you have to select the users, then give all the access here. Once the access is done, just go for OK and you have to close everything here. Now after trying with this, we just need to go back to the app and you might either get an update option or you'll be having a launch option. If you have an update option like this, just update it, and if you're having a launch option, just launch the game and you have to check. So this is what we have to do, and I hope this quick video is helpful. That's it. Bye.